That's a stream key, so. Okay, well, that's weird. Okay, back to the fun stuff. I was about to close that. This. Yeah, I was cropping this into a 9 by 16. That's a good photo. I feel like Gemini does a very good job, but it's almost creepy because you know what? No one can tell that my earrings are snowmen from that far away. Like nobody could tell the entire day, but they could tell. Okay, so now we have this photo that it created. It was kind of like a mixture, I feel like. Well, it really turned out to be that one, but it was kind of like a mixture, I feel like, between the two. But I almost like this one because it shows like everything. Anyways, let's go back to this one, and then we'll go and take the second part because we took this one where it took out the influencer realism, subject clothing, hair, face, accessories, blah blah blah, and then I'm going to put it into this one. I'm going to have it adapted to this one, which is like a selfie. It makes really good selfie photos. I haven't found one that before that would not give me like them holding their cell phone. You know, most of the ones you see, they're holding their cell phone, which is not what you want. You don't want a third person of you or second person of you, technically third because of the phone, like taking a photo of you taking a selfie. That's just not cool. So, adapt this prompt to the reference photos. I just like having it start on another line. That way you definitely know it's not going to get it mixed. Well, hopefully it won't get it mixed up. So you can give it a scene description. I could do it. All right, we'll do it. The scene is the Blue Ridge Parkway in January because we're almost in January. So now it's just gonna write this JSON. Now the style is kind of the big thing. I feel like it's the iPhone Pro Max photography one. I think it's hilarious. The iPhone is considered the best camera gear right now, I guess. Should make me just buy one just to use for the camera. I wouldn't, I don't like them, but my mom probably has an iPhone, like an older one. Not like an older, old one, but one that I could probably use as a camera if I really wanted to. If that's supposedly the best. So then we'll just take this, go back to Gemini. We're gonna tell it to apply. We're gonna upload the reference photo that we just made because it's a good photo. Or we can upload the other one. Which one do you want? I'm asking myself that because right now there's no one on the stream. Um, But if there was, I would definitely ask. I think we'll do the original photo because I definitely know it's me. Like, like it's basically just a copy of my Christmas photo. So, I mean, I could upload my Christmas photo. That would probably be good too. But it's really not different. Where'd it go? I just had that. Where did it? Okay, there it is. I just like it because it doesn't have a background. That was kind of like my main thing. Okay. So with Gemini, you only get a certain amount. So this might end up being my last photo that I can make with thinking. I can do fast, but it did a terrible job. It did a terrible job. It's not me at all. How did I do such a bad job? I think it was Gemini, honestly. Maybe I should have told it to use the reference photo. We'll fix that on this one. I thought it'd be smarter. I'm sorry. That's what I get. Okay, now let's try it. It did it super fast though. So far, it's been the fastest like image generator I've used. Um, I did get affiliate with Higgsfield, so I will be using Higgsfield probably in the future. Like go back like OpenArt's super cool, but I don't know. Higgsfield is I don't know. They're both really really good. But so now I've got HeyGen, Higgsfield, and OpenArt. Oh, that's a good one. It's like a very like natural, candid photo. Okay. So now we'll take this, go to Higgsfield. Well, do I have Higgsfield still? I don't know if I haven't. It's today's my last day with it. If it is, at least for this month. We'll see if it'll let me. That's the photo I was using. These are some other ones I was using. So turn to unlimited. We want 9 by 16. Well, let's do actually. Let's do 3 by, oh, no, let's do 9 by 16. I would suggest doing 3 by 4s in like things like Gemini and stuff like that where they do have watermarks and then you can just crop them out. Um, but these prompts have made some really, really good ones. Um, I can only do 4 at a time and I can make this one. This is a really cute one. Actually, it's a really cute one. But I'm looking for more of a front-facing situation. Like I tried to make a Christmas photo and then I got to Christmas and I was like, we're just gonna take a photo. And they gave me these and then I used these ones. I think this one for my Christmas video. Then I started messing around. But with the Gemini gem, you just go to gems and you would just create a new gem. And then you would go back to the website that we've been getting these prompts from, Metrics Mule, and you would just copy this whole prompt and put it in there as like the description. Which is a lot. And then you create your gem, which I put as like, I just put it down as he did. But it did a good job. So like I'm gonna make my photos with this original prompt. Oh, sorry guys, I'm getting nauseous. With this initial one, where is it? The iPhone, Insta iPhone selfie one mixed with the influencer realism. Um, and then we'll take it into Gemini, whatever comes out, and then we'll go from there. But I gotta go take a nausea medicine, or nausea pill. I'll be right back. Thankfully, it's like an under the tongue one, so. Mm. Sometimes the light will do it. I might need to move the light. I need to move my stuff around in general, I think. Just waiting on those pictures to go ahead and load up, and then I'll sit back down. Okay. Yes, I have a bunch of stuff piled on the back of my chair. I am not, I'm not messy. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I started this at 4 a.m. So I woke up and brushed my hair and changed and jumped on with you guys. So I wanted to do something fun. Well, to me, this is fun, but I needed video proof of it. That is very, very weird. I guess if I paused, I thought about it. Okay, it's weird. I wonder. It is. It's showing up as two live streams. It's kind of creepy. But hey. Okay, here. Oh my God. I like this one. We're gonna upscale it. I'm sorry, I'm not normally like that. I'm like, oh my gosh, I like a photo. Okay, so you can change to high fidelity and face enhancement. So the cool thing about Higgsfield right now is they just came out with their Cinema Studio, which I have not used yet, but we might have to use it with some of these images. But I've got to get the promo for you guys if I'm going to do that. And I'm not going to do that right this second because I'm going to do a whole video, another video about them. So I'll probably do that with my next live stream. I find that doing live streams are easier. I feel like you guys get to see more of what's going on. It may not be as flashy, but you know, I can go through and cut out the long waiting periods for you now and just save them later. It just seems to be the most realistic YouTube experience. Okay, so I needed to actually have two whole live streams to be able to do both shorts and you guys. But what's cool, and I didn't think about it,